Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy P2P on KuCoin. To begin, open your KuCoin app or visit the website and locate the Buy Crypto option. From there, select P2P to access the peer-to-peer trading platform. This feature enables you to purchase cryptocurrencies directly from other users using your preferred local currency and payment methods, offering a convenient and secure way to acquire digital assets with zero transaction fees. Once on the P2P page, you'll see a list of available offers. Use the filters to select your desired cryptocurrency, fiat currency, and payment method. It's crucial to choose a seller with a high completion rate and positive reviews for a smooth transaction. After selecting an offer, enter the amount you wish to buy, then proceed to make the payment using the provided details. Remember to mark the order as paid once your transfer is complete. After you've marked your payment as complete, the seller will verify the transaction on their end. This usually takes just a few minutes. Once they confirm receiving your funds, the agreed-upon cryptocurrency will be released from escrow and deposited directly into your KuCoin funding account. It's important to patiently wait for this confirmation and ensure the crypto appears in your account before taking any further action. For a secure P2P experience, always choose sellers with a strong track record, ideally with a completion rate exceeding 90%. Communicate exclusively through KuCoin's in-app chat to maintain a clear record of all discussions. If any issues arise, do not hesitate to use the appeal function. Remember, never confirm receipt of funds or release crypto until you are absolutely certain the payment has been successfully processed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.